What's good, everybody? It's your boy D Buddy, and we hit you with another episode of Drip Talk. It's our 7th episode. We'll get into print on demand versus screen printing, and I'm gonna just pretty much give you guys a generalization of what print on demand is, what screen printing is, and how they differ, which one is better, which one you can implement into your brand today, and more. So pretty much, just stay tuned. Get these gems that I'm about to drop for you. Also, make sure you check out our Build a Throne collection that is out right now. Check out our NFTs that we have for the Build a Throne collection, and also our Battle Royale Part 2 collection. And also make sure that you RSVP for our pop-up event that will be happening on September 23rd from 2 to 6 p.m. We'll have a lot of DJ drinks and also a lot of fashion. So make sure you guys are there, show up, support, and continue to watch a lot of fashion. We'll be back after this commercial break. What's good, everybody? This is your boy D Money, and I just want to let y'all know that we got the Build the Throne collection. We had to push it back a few weeks, but it will be dropping at the end of June. Make sure you stay tuned for the release date. Make sure that you're ready to pre-order these elite African Kingdom pieces for men, women, and kids. And, we're going to stay in the athleisure wear for the spring and summer. So stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned for that release date. And make sure you also check out our new podcast, A Lot of Fashion, which we're back at it. So first and foremost, when it comes to print on demand, a lot of people say don't do print on demand. First and foremost, because of the quality. Number two, because of the simple fact that they want to have control over it as far as making sure that they actually can make the products for themselves, and then also so that way they know how the quality of the fabrics and materials are together when they put it together. And then also sometimes timing and cost. So why should you screen print and why you shouldn't screen print in the beginning? You will have to focus too much on production details of your brand, design, creation, and shipping and delivery. When it comes down to those things, first of all, when you're designing, you don't want to have to design and then actually have to create the creation, because it takes too much time. It could take up to 5 to 10 hours for some people, especially if you're just starting out, because you don't know everything that you need to know from the beginning. Or even if you do, you may not have that experience with the machines and the materials and fabrics that you're putting together. So it could take additional time that you don't have in order to put these orders together. And shipping and delivery time. When you have, bulk orders coming in, and then on top of that, you have to actually put these items together, it's going to take you more time. I've heard from certain clothing brands that it takes up to 4 to 6 weeks to put these orders together because they're getting so many at one time. For me, I do print on demand because first and foremost, it gives me more time to market. When I have more time to market, I'm able to fulfill more orders. I do it from a pre-order method, so that way I actually have the orders coming in before I actually even have to put the orders out. Then on top of that, the drop shipping fulfills your orders by you buying the products from the manufacturer once you have already designed it. And then when you do that, it's saving you money up front. And not saving you money up front, but it's it's actually putting a lot more money in your pocket at the back end, because you're able to put out more orders more frequently and more efficiently. Third, what if you have the budget and the team to actually screen print? Well, then you're good, because you also have the time to put products together on your website, market those products on social media and through events, or just street marketing, and then you'll also be able to ship out the products in efficient manner within a 7 to 14 day period of time, and also have more time to design, like I said. Fourth,
we have a great product in the shop that we're excited to share with you. Check it out on our site. We've got something to share. We're really proud of our product and are excited to make it available on our website.
Today.
Check it out now.
Why some want inventory to make it on the spot? Well, for some, like I said in the beginning of the video, they pretty much just want quality control. They want to pretty much have control of, how the products are being made, what, quality the fabrics and materials are, knowing exactly if it is cotton or, rayon or nylon or, other fabrics and materials. But at the end of the day, it's most important that you actually have a quality product, knowing that it's a quality product. And with print on demand, even though you don't actually have the ability to get samples before you put something out, you can actually order the samples before you even post it, to be real, with you, before you actually put it out to the world, and check it out once it's made. I do it with my manufacturer, King Customs. Pretty much what I do is I post, the design on their website, on their platform. I, have it already created, have a, set price set up on their website, and then I integrate it into my website on Squarespace. You can also put it on other platforms, as far as merch platforms like Amazon, also Etsy, Walmart, even Poshmark, just to sell your products at a more efficient rate, because they actually promote the products on their platforms as well, outside of you posting on social media. But fifth, a lot of people say, is the quality even good from a print-on-demand platform? And actually it's better than what you expect, because some of these print-on-demand platforms like King Custom, Printful, and Printify, they actually use heat press ink for the ink inside the fabric and materials to make the print last without immediate fading or washing out. Number 6, you solely do have to use these methods and integrate both methods for my clothing brand. And what I say is you should actually integrate either both methods or just use one or the other to start off. I would prefer to use print on demand, and then once I have the budget to actually have a team to actually put out these orders, I would do it on my own, so that way I would actually have more time to create and design, and then I'll have somebody else market, and then have other people place and put out the orders. But I mean, either method is cool to start out. Like I said, I would prefer to do print on demand because of the simple fact of time is a factor with everything. That is the most important thing you need in a business, is making sure that you're using your time efficiently. So I would definitely prefer using print on demand, just so that way you can market, more people can know what your brand foundations are about, and you can focus on having better products as you go on, because everybody is not going to just jump on your brand first day you put it out. Now, unless you have the mass following and budget to go behind it, that's different. But a lot of us, like myself, I didn't have money to just throw at my dream and make it happen. I had to put in the work. I had to find and finesse certain situations, just like having a manufacturer to create my clothes when I already know how to do it myself. But This is just, some of the things that, you have to sacrifice when, creating a business so that way it runs efficiently. Number 7, should I focus on selling versus profit margin? Now, like I said also earlier in the video, profit margins are important, but at the same time, when you're starting out a brand, they're not that much important because the main focus is gaining sales and gaining sales at a consistent rate, because you want to be able to soon make money when you sleep. So don't worry about the profit margins because, like I say, you're a new business. When you're focused on the profit margins and you're focused on the fact that, it costs more to put out an item, say with a print-on-demand platform like King Customs, where say if you were even to just go to a manufacturer and have them print out, a bulk order of t-shirts, 500, maybe even, will go as low as 100 t-shirts. It may cost you about, 15 to 20, well, I say even 10 to $15 per t-shirt to get it made with the colors and prints on it. Yeah, it's a lot cheaper than me doing it on King Customs, where it'll be about $18 to $20, or even on Printful, where it'll be like 22 to 25. But at the end of the day, if I'm getting about 10 to 20 sales on that t-shirt on the first day, then I already made back that loss that I had when I sold that first t-shirt on, a print-on-demand structure. So just think about that. Just think about, focusing on marketing so that way people know who your brand is. So that way when you decide on, hey, should I, go on a more inventory-based route, you'll at least have the budget and then also have, a more established team in order to make that happen. My closing remarks is, either option is your choice. If you can make it work and it is working for you, I'm not saying change it, but at the same time, it's always good to improve your brand and make things go even more efficiently. So what I would say is just integrate the both of, ideas if you can. Use print on demand if, your budget is small, so that way you can have things running efficiently. Like I always say, visualize your purpose. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you also check out our A Lot of Fashion podcast. We'll be dropping a lot of gems on our podcast as well. If you want to interview for your brand or even a brand evaluation, DM me on our social media, Instagram, dreams_of_rulers, and I'll definitely set it up, and we'll even do a podcast for the interview. I charge for the interview, so just DM me and we'll make it happen. Appreciate y'all.